Hello there, welcome back to our channel, Jane here. If it's your first time visiting, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell so you're not gonna miss our latest Blackpink unboxing videos. If you've missed your chance on our previous Blackpink Lightstick 2 giveaway, you can simply join our next challenge, which is the Crab Dance Challenge by Lisa. Just invite one person to subscribe on our channel and send us an email with your invited friend's name with their crab dance video file. One lucky winner will receive a Blackpink Lightstick 2 and a special Christmas gift from us. Good luck everyone and have a Merry Christmas!